Okay, so if you are following this remodel, this here is one of the walls that was in poor condition, and I put that heavy liner paper over it. Now it has 2 coats of paint and it looks so much better. Covers up all those questionable cracks and stuff. It greatly smooths them out. This wall here, same story. It had some cracks going through here, and the liner paper is pretty thick and tough stuff, and it just holds everything together and smooths out the whole appearance. And this one here, then I have these other 2 walls over here that I did. That, and these are dramatically better. See, this wall here is nice and smooth now. And that wall used to look like this wall. So you can see all those little bumps on the wall. So that liner paper just covered over everything very nicely. And this one here, this one had the cracks in the wall. So this is all nicely hidden now. And I wouldn't say it's hidden, it's just fixed, because the liner paper is a very heavy paper, and it has a little bit of a structural value to it, I would say. Not structural in a strength sense, but so here's the big thing today. I got all the new carpeting installed. So this is just looking great. And the carpet layer did an awesome job. He pulled everything in tight. All the fits are really good. Carpeted down into the secret room. Kids love that little spot there. So there's the pie cut section of the stairs. And everything, it's all nice and tight. Just everything is looking really good. The guy, I cannot say enough good about him. This is where my office used to be years ago when I lived here. And I really liked living in this house. It was just a really nice, comfortable place to live in. Here's the back bedroom. Still got to get the Jacob up here with his track hoe and level out the backyard and spread all that gravel around. And that'll make this look a lot better. Carpeted into the closet spaces here. And here's the front bedroom. Everything's looking just great. When I first moved in here, before that big tree was here, I used to have a view of Mount Rainier. Gonna have to do something about that. Okay. There's the stairwell down. Okay. Yeah, there were no lights in the hallway up here when I bought the house. I had to install all the lighting in here. So those 2 lights and this light here are on the same circuit. And it's a three-way switch, so you can turn it on from here or up there, on off. So, okay, well, that is the update for today, August 27. I'm very happy with how things are doing. See, there is the carpet layer, put a ramp here, so you can see that it is somewhat close to the level of the floor here, but there's still going to be the click lock, snap lock floor going in there, and so it'll still have a little bit of a difference in elevation, but we'll deal with it. So, all right, that is the quick update for today. All right. Have a good weekend, everyone.